Welcome to KB Technologies Managed IT near Dania Beach, Florida. Discover how our comprehensive IT solutions transform businesses with managed IT services, cybersecurity, and more. Enhance your business security with our robust cybersecurity solutions. Trust KB Technologies for proactive protection against digital threats. Explore our advanced access control systems tailored to safeguard your premises. Secure, efficient, and designed for your peace of mind. Optimize your communications with VoIP solutions by KB Technologies. Seamlessly connect and collaborate from anywhere. Experience reliable IT services that keep your operations running smoothly. Trust our expertise to handle your technology needs. Unlock the power of cloud hosting solutions with KB Technologies. Flexible, scalable, and tailored to support your business growth. Why choose KB Technologies? We deliver proactive IT management that empowers your business to thrive in a digital world. From cybersecurity to cloud hosting, we provide end-to-end IT solutions customized for your business needs. Ready to elevate your business IT? Contact KB Technologies today for a consultation and discover how we can optimize your technology infrastructure. Transform your business with KB Technologies Managed IT Services. Contact us today to get started.